We offer a good range of American style fridge freezers in a variety of sizes and colours. This is a side-by-side product. We also offer the French door system. Many of the products will offer a water dispenser through the door and a built-in ice maker. And the advantage of these huge products is that you get massive capacity on both the fridge and the freezer. So call in, have a look. I'm sure we'll have something you'll be interested in.